Well, good evening, beautiful people. We just had a torrential downpour and we just had huge hailstones. But the beautiful thing is you can see that fire pit down the hill, and I trimmed up the tree so you could see it. So the campground is starting to come more into focus so that you can come down and focus on your soul and on your God-given creativity. And hopefully we'll have the book written that you will have a companion guide so that you can begin to establish a new roadmap in the way that you follow and glorify Jesus Christ. Anyway, this is June 5th, 2025, after a very intense rain. May you continue to richly enjoy the Lord Jesus.